Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys 5 hairstyles that you can pull your hair up with. Kind of updos, but I have a couple of braids in there too to show you guys. Or just anything that kind of just pulls your hair out of your face. Specifically, I wanted to show you guys this because tomorrow is 4th of July, and I know when you're outside in the sun, it's hot and you want your hair off of you, and I've done the hair down for 4th of July. I might do it this year, not sure. But when you're outside and it's hot, I just think being able to have some really cute styles to wear your hair that won't be on your neck or in your face as much are perfect for like 4th of July activities. So that is what I'm going to be showing you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we're just going to go ahead and jump right in.
Okay, so we're going to go ahead and just split our hair into 2 sections, and I'm going to ponytail off one of mine because I often grab hair from another section by accident. And then we're going to do an inside out braid. So you take the left side and you wrap it underneath the middle, and then you move to the right side and then you wrap that under the middle. And then after that you move back over to the left side and gather a little bit of extra hair and move that under the left or under the middle again, and then the same thing on the right side. And we're going to do that working our way all the way down, and I'm kind of trying to focus it more towards the front so that you can see the braid a bit better when we have finished braiding it. So I'm just going to braid that all the way down. I'm going to ponytail that off, and then we're going to move to the other side and do the exact same thing. I usually at the end of this will pull a few hairs down in the front. That is optional. You can do that if you want, but that is a personal preference. Like I said, when you are doing these, make sure if you're looking for this particular style, focus the braid towards the front of your face versus towards the middle part. And then we're going to ponytail that off. I'm going to leave a little bit of extra hair down on the bottom, and then I'm just going to stretch my braid. And you can do that by holding the ponytail and pulling all of the side pieces. And that is how that looks. I love this one because it's so simple and super cute. The next style that we're going to do, we're going to pull our hair into a ponytail. I'm gathering all of my hair straight back and just putting it in a nice firm ponytail, and I'm pulling a few pieces out in the front because that's personal preference. If you want to do that, you can. And then we're going to do kind of a pull through braid, except we're going to do it a little different than I did in the video that I'll share a little card so you guys can see that if you want. And we're just going to ponytail underneath first and clip the top hair away, and then we'll bring that down and split that in half and bring it underneath and clip that away and ponytail that off. And the reason we do that for this style particularly is so that some of those ponytails are a bit more hidden. So it's kind of more of an inside out braid versus a regular 3-strand normal braid, if that makes sense. And we're going to do that all the way down until you've run out of hair. It's kind of hard to do it all the way straight back, so I bring mine to the front, and you can do that too. But for filming purposes, it makes it a little challenging. And then we're just going to ponytail that off, and I'm going to leave a little bit of hair out so that you can see there's no extra little ponytails. And then I just tug and make it as big as I want, and that is how we would do that. I really love this one because it just jazzes up your ponytail. And then this one we're going to do is a bubble braid. It's really, really simple. You just add however many bubbles you want. And I'm just going to do 3 because I wanted to do this bigger bubble kind of look. And it's super simple. You just take a few ponytails and ponytail them midway towards the ends. And then I just tug on them to make them as full as I want. And that is how you make a bubble braid. I think these are so cute, and they are definitely coming back in, and it's just so fun. The next style we're going to do is we're going to pull our hair up into a ponytail shape, and this is my messy bun, and I'll link that video if you want a more in-depth tutorial. We're just going to create a mop formation and ponytail that off, and then take the hair around and just tuck it into the ponytail. I do mine really loosely because I just go through with bobby pins at the end and just bobby pin it into place for extra hold. But I find that the faster I do it sometimes, the better I get a cuter messy bun because it's actually more effortless. Sometimes. And then I just pin that in place till where I feel like it's secure. I have a lot of hair, so make sure if you have a lot of hair, you use some really strong hold bobby pins. And that is how that looks. And now the next style that we're going to do, it's just a regular French braid halfway, and I'm just going to French braid that. So I'll take 3 strands and I'll pull the top over the middle and the left over the middle, and we'll just keep doing that, gathering hair and adding more to it. And then I'm going to ponytail that off when I've reached where I want, which I'm just taking it just a little bit to right where my head is about to drop off. And then I'm gathering a ponytail and creating that same bun that I just showed you guys. You can do any bun for this style, but I am just going to do a messy bun for this one. And I'm just going to, like I said, create a mop, and then I tuck hair into that. This one I'm doing very loosely. I'm taking larger chunks and just tucking it in. And then once you've got it all tucked in, you can move the pieces around however you want. But this is pretty simple. You just get it kind of in place, and then you can adjust it what works for you and for what you like. Then I'm just going to bobby pin it into place. And then for me, I like volume in the front, so I'm just going to tug on the braid a little bit and kind of pull it out and make it a little bit more full, because that is personal preference of what I like to do as well. And that is how that looks. I hope you like it. These are super simple. These are some of my go-tos.
I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and got some ideas for how you guys want to wear your hair for the 4th of July or just any time through the summer with your hair up so that it's not down on your neck making you sweat. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys did, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye.